Hello, everyone. The significance of kidney health cannot be overstated, yet it's frequently disregarded. Whether you're dealing with kidney disease or simply want to take proactive steps toward maintaining kidney health, your diet plays a pivotal role. However, it's crucial to consult your doctor before implementing significant dietary changes, especially if you're already managing kidney disease. With that in mind, let's explore 12 key foods renowned for promoting optimal kidney function. 1. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers boast more than triple the vitamin C content found in green peppers. A single medium-sized red pepper fulfills 190% of your daily vitamin C requirements. This fact holds significance because vitamin C acts as a potent antioxidant, mitigating inflammation and oxidative stress on the kidneys. Individuals with chronic kidney disease often exhibit low levels of vitamin C, making the intake of foods like red peppers particularly advantageous. Beyond vitamin C, red peppers offer a rich array of nutrients including vitamin A, vitamin B6, fiber, lycopene, and potassium, synergistically fortifying kidney health. Aim to include at least one serving, approximately half a cup chopped, in your diet 2 to 3 times per week. Enjoy red peppers raw with hummus or in salads, roast them, incorporate them into omelets, or utilize them in stir-fries. Opt for red peppers over other varieties to maximize your vitamin C intake. 2. Purple cabbage. Purple cabbage is abundant in anthocyanins, compounds responsible for its distinctive purple hue. These anthocyanins function as antioxidants, effectively combating inflammation and shielding the kidneys from free radical damage. Additionally, cabbage offers insoluble fiber, supporting digestive health, along with vitamin K for bone strength, vitamin C to bolster immunity, and potassium for fluid balance. To reap these benefits, consider incorporating more cabbage into your diet, whether raw, cooked, or fermented into probiotic-rich sauerkraut. Experiment with shredded cabbage in coleslaws, boiled in soups, sautéed in stir-fries, stuffed into wraps or sandwiches, or baked into slaws. Aim for a serving size of at least 1/2 to 1 cup 2 to 3 times weekly. Other varieties such as Napa cabbage, Savoy cabbage, red cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, and broccoli offer similar advantageous properties. 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish varieties such as salmon, tuna, mackerel, herring, and sardines are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties. Given the correlation between chronic inflammation and accelerated kidney disease progression, augmenting your intake of these anti-inflammatory omega-3s, either through fish consumption or supplements, may help mitigate kidney damage progression. Moreover, these fish varieties provide high-quality protein without exerting undue strain on the kidneys, unlike some other protein sources. Additionally, the presence of vitamin D in fatty fish contributes to bone health, an essential consideration as kidney disease heightens the risk of osteoporosis. Aim for at least 3-ounce servings of fatty fish twice weekly, prepared through baking, grilling, pan-searing, or pan-frying. Incorporate fish into salads, rice bowls, pasta dishes, tacos, sandwiches, or enjoy it as a standalone dish. For individuals not consuming fish, opting for fish oil or algae-based omega-3 supplements presents a viable alternative. 4. Olive oil. Olive oil boasts potent antioxidants known as polyphenol, renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties. Studies indicate that incorporating olive oil into your diet may contribute to preserving kidney function and slowing the progression of chronic kidney disease, in addition to aiding in blood pressure reduction. Opt for extra virgin olive oil as your primary choice for homemade salad dressings, drizzling over cooked vegetables, whole grains, and bread. Aim to consume at least 2 to 3 tablespoons daily. Given that olive oil offers maximum benefits when unheated, consider adding it post-cooking or lightly heating it in sauces. It's advisable to avoid frying with olive oil, as high heat can diminish its antioxidant content. 5. Berries. The rich, vivid hues of berries indicate their abundant reservoir of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which play a pivotal role in combating inflammation and mitigating oxidative stress on the kidneys. Furthermore, berries boast a high water content, facilitating hydration. Among the top choices beneficial for kidney health are blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, cranberries, and cherries. Indulge in a cup of mixed fresh or frozen berries thrice weekly, incorporating them into smoothies, atop salads, blended with yogurt or cottage cheese, or stirred into oatmeal. Frozen berries retain their nutrient profile exceptionally well, making them a convenient option year-round. Consider stocking up when they're on sale, ensuring to select unsweetened varieties devoid of added sugars. 6. Garlic. Beyond its culinary appeal, garlic harbors a potent compound known as allicin, renowned for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This compound serves to safeguard the kidneys against potential damage over time and may contribute to blood pressure reduction. Incorporate 2 to 3 cloves of crushed or minced garlic into your meals 3 to 5 times weekly. Prior to cooking, allow chopped garlic to rest for 10 minutes to activate the allicin fully. Then, integrate it into sauces, salad dressings, soups, roasted vegetables, meats, or stir-fries. Individuals with sensitive stomachs may find aged garlic extracts preferable to fresh garlic. 7. Celery. Besides its remarkably low calorie count, celery boasts a water content of 95%, making it an excellent choice to aid in hydration. Moreover, celery furnishes essential electrolytes such as potassium, antioxidants like vitamin C, and other vital nutrients including vitamin K. These properties facilitate toxin elimination and help prevent dehydration, an imperative for maintaining kidney health. Aim to incorporate 1 to 2 stalks of celery into your diet 3 times weekly. Enjoy it raw with nut butter or hummus, blend it into green juices and smoothies, dice it for salads, or incorporate it into soups, stir-fries, and grain bowls. Don't overlook the leaves, they harbor additional vitamin C, calcium, and potassium. 8. Guava. Integrating guava into your dietary regimen offers significant benefits for kidney health and function. Abundant in vitamin C, this fruit provides potent antioxidant protection, shielding kidney cells from damage. Furthermore, guava's rich lycopene content contributes to inflammation reduction and prevents kidney injury. Its potassium levels aid in fluid balance regulation, alleviating strain on the kidneys. Additionally, guava's fiber content supports both circulation and digestive health. With its impressive hydration properties, comprising approximately 80% water, guava serves as a refreshing addition to your routine. Aim to consume half a cup of fresh or frozen guava 2 to 3 times weekly. Enjoy it as a standalone snack or incorporate it into smoothies, juices, salsas, and salads for added versatility. 9. Apples. Apples earn their place among kidney-friendly foods due to their fiber content, potassium, antioxidants such as vitamin C, and anti-inflammatory compounds like quercetin. A study revealed that individuals who consumed an apple daily exhibited lower toxin levels in their kidneys compared to those who did not, affirming the age-old wisdom of the apple a day adage for kidney health. Incorporate apples into your routine 2 to 3 times weekly, indulge in them as a snack, slice them into salads, bake them into oatmeal, or craft homemade applesauce. Retain the skin for added fiber and nutrients, and if opting for organic varieties, consider consuming the seeds for additional health benefits. 10. Egg whites. Egg whites serve as a source of high-quality, kidney-friendly protein, as they lack the excessive phosphorus, potassium, and ammonia found in egg yolks. For individuals managing kidney disease, incorporating egg whites into their diet offers a protein source that places minimal strain on the kidneys. Integrate egg whites into your breakfast routine 3 times weekly, whether scrambled, in omelets, frittatas, and more, using 2 egg whites per serving. You can also incorporate them into smoothies or baked goods such as cakes and muffins. Opt for pasteurized egg whites to mitigate the risk of salmonella associated with raw eggs. As you'll be omitting egg yolks, ensure you obtain omega-3 fatty acids from alternative sources such as fish and olive oil. 11. Cranberries. Cranberries are rich in antioxidant compounds known as A-type proanthocyanidins, PACs, which research suggests may hinder the adherence of bacteria like E. coli to cells lining the urinary tract, thus serving as a protective barrier. This attribute renders cranberries a kidney-friendly food and a booster for urinary tract health. Incorporate cranberries into your diet 2 to 3 times weekly, whether in the form of juice, dried, fresh, or frozen. Opt for unsweetened cranberry juice and exercise moderation in consumption, as even unsweetened varieties contain natural sugars. Limit your intake to 4 ounces of juice or a quarter cup of dried or fresh berries per serving. 12. Turmeric. The golden-hued spiced turmeric boasts curcumin, the compound responsible for its vibrant color and potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research indicates that curcumin may offer protective effects against acute kidney injury and potentially reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease. Incorporate turmeric into your diet 2 to 3 times weekly by sprinkling it over foods or incorporating it generously into cooking. Add 1/4-1/2 teaspoon to dishes such as rice, roasted vegetables, eggs, lentils, soups, smoothies, and more. Enhance absorption by pairing turmeric with black pepper. Alternatively, consider curcumin/turmeric supplements as another option. These 12 top foods provide valuable insights into maintaining kidney health and promoting happiness. Prioritizing kidney-friendly foods like guava, fatty fish, cauliflower, berries, celery, turmeric, and others can significantly enhance kidney function and decelerate the progression of kidney disease. As always, consult your doctor before making significant dietary adjustments, especially if you're managing kidney-related issues. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.